Here I have my tire air pump. As you can see, I'm currently charging it. It does have an LCD screen. As you can see, take a closer look. You'll see that it is charging right there. It is a USB-C on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug it just to show you the rest of its great features. Take a look. It is nice and compact. It is actually not heavy. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So simply, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and show you the middle screen. Simply turn it on. It does have a light. It has where you could go up and down in PSI. And then also around here is where you will switch the different modes. So I will go through the modes with you and show you the different types of modes that are available. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. You're going to go ahead and hold it. As you can see here, it is flashing. And this is the PSI that is going to be reading. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the modes just to show you the different modes. So as you can see, that is a car and it will flash the PSI that it should be at. Then next we have the bicycle 30 PSI. And then of course it is 0 right now because we don't have it plugged in. But once you plug it in, it'll actually start calculating the PSI. Then next we have the motorcycle. And then last also inflates ball, so it's 9 PSI. It does come with 4 different applicators, so that is great. So it does have different ones that you could use with your vehicle, your bike, your balls. And then this is the tube that actually goes on here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. So all you want to do is once you have your tube, you want to go ahead and screw your tube in. Let me go ahead and do that. It is so easy to do, very simple. All you have to do is turn it around. All right, so once that is in there, then you go ahead and select whichever different type of applicator you need. Once you do, select the PSI that you're needing and then hit the middle button and that'll start inflating the tire. There you go. Not only does it inflate tires, but it also has a light feature. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. On the light feature, it is up here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the tire pump. It does have a light feature. So all you have to do is press the light. Kind of hard to see right now, but the light is on. It also has a red flashing light. And then one that flashes simultaneously and then off. So it has the white, the red, and then the one that flashes a little bit faster. And then another great feature that it has, and I actually have my charger here, is that it actually charges your phone. So it has a USB connection right here. So you could go ahead and if you have a cable, you could actually use this as a power bank. So you could charge your phone as long as it is USB type. So I would highly recommend. This is such a great compact thing to have, carry with you, have it in your home, have it in your vehicle. I would definitely recommend. 10 out of 10.